Did they find a living megalodon in the Mariana Trench? Now, there's a question that has been making waves recently. It's no secret that our fascination with this prehistoric beast has been reignited, thanks to the silver screen and its depiction of these monstrous creatures. Films like Meg 2: The Trench have certainly sparked our curiosity, taking us on a cinematic journey beneath the waves to encounter the mighty Megalodon. But what's in a name? Well, quite a lot, as it turns out. The term Megalodon hails from the ancient Greek words megas, meaning big, and odon, meaning tooth. And well, it's a fitting name. Picture this, a creature so immense, so powerful, that even its name serves as a testament to its formidable nature. Yes, big tooth indeed. Of course, the Megalodon isn't just a figment of Hollywood's imagination. This creature was very real. It swam in our oceans millions of years ago, instilling fear and awe in equal measure. And although it's been extinct for around 3 million years, the Megalodon continues to captivate us today. So, this brings us to the crux of the matter. The Megalodon, the big tooth, a creature of both awe and terror. But how big was it really? Let's delve into that in our next segment. When we talk about the Megalodon, we are talking about an aquatic giant. This colossal creature that once dominated the oceans leaves us awestruck even today, merely through its fossilized remains. The sheer size of the Megalodon is something that is difficult to wrap our heads around. Imagine a shark that was not just double, not even triple, but almost quadruple the size of the largest great white shark ever recorded. Some scientists estimate that the Megalodon could have reached lengths of up to 60 feet. Now, to put that into perspective, consider this. The average city bus is around 40 feet long. The Megalodon would have outstretched it by a good 20 feet. That's a shark the length of a bowling lane. When compared to other marine creatures, the Megalodon still holds its own. The blue whale, the largest animal known to have ever existed, measures up to 100 feet in length. While the Megalodon is dwarfed in this comparison, remember we are comparing a shark to a whale. Among its fellow sharks, the Megalodon was an unrivaled titan. Even the whale shark, the largest shark species today, only grows up to about 40 feet. Despite its massive size, the Megalodon was likely a swift and agile predator, much like its modern-day relatives. Its size gave it a hunting advantage, allowing it to tackle larger prey and dominate the ancient seas. But the question remains, could such a beast have survived until today, lurking in the deepest parts of our oceans? Could it be possible that a creature of such magnitude exists unbeknownst to us? That's a shark the length of a bowling lane, but could such a large creature really exist in the deepest parts of our oceans? Imagine a place so deep that if you dropped Mount Everest into it, the peak would still be submerged. Welcome to the Mariana Trench, the deepest spot on Earth. Nestled in the western Pacific Ocean, to the east of the Philippines, it's a place where light fears to tread, and pressure mounts to over 1,000 times that at sea level. Stretching over 1,500 miles long and 43 miles wide, this undersea canyon plunges to a depth of nearly 7 miles at its deepest point, known as the Challenger Deep. To put that into perspective, if you were to stack 10 Empire State Buildings on top of each other, you wouldn't even breach the surface. The Mariana Trench is a world of perpetual darkness and bone-crushing pressure. Yet despite these harsh conditions, life thrives here. From alien-like luminescent creatures to the formidable giant squid, the trench is a haven for some of the ocean's most mysterious and enigmatic species. The trench's name traces back to the Mariana Islands, which themselves were named after Queen Mariana of Austria. Discovered in the early 20th century, the trench has been a subject of fascination and exploration ever since. Its extreme depths and inhospitable conditions make it a challenging environment to explore, but it also holds the promise of unveiling secrets of the deep sea and the history of our planet. So the Mariana Trench is not just another spot in the vast ocean. It's a realm that pushes the limits of life as we know it. A place of mystery and wonder that continues to captivate scientists and explorers alike. So we've established the enormity of the Mariana Trench, but could it have been home to the gigantic Megalodon? Could the Mariana Trench, this alien world in the depths of our oceans, have been a refuge for the Megalodon? A question that has sparked the curiosity of many. Let's dive into this intriguing hypothesis. The Mariana Trench, the deepest spot on Earth, is a place of immense pressure, cold temperatures, and limited food sources. For any creature to survive here, they would need to be uniquely adapted. The Megalodon, with its enormous size and high metabolic needs, would face serious challenges in this environment. Firstly, let's look at the pressure. The Mariana Trench is over 7 miles deep, and the pressure at these depths is more than 1,000 times greater than at sea level. This would be a formidable challenge for the Megalodon, a creature that primarily inhabited shallower coastal waters. Next, the temperature. The Mariana Trench is cold, with temperatures often dropping to just above freezing. The Megalodon, being a warm-blooded creature, would struggle to survive in such frigid conditions. Then there's the question of food. The Megalodon was an apex predator, feeding on large marine mammals like whales and seals. The Mariana Trench, however, is not known for its abundance of such prey. The creatures that inhabit these depths are typically small and not nearly enough to sustain a creature of the Megalodon's size. Despite these challenges, there are those who speculate that the Megalodon might have been able to adapt to life in the Mariana Trench. They point to creatures like the goblin shark and the giant squid as evidence of large predators that have managed to survive in this harsh environment. However, it's important to remember that these speculations are just that, speculations. There is currently no scientific evidence to support the existence of the Megalodon in the Mariana Trench. Theories about the Megalodon's survival in the trench are often based on misunderstandings or misinterpretations of the fossil record. While the existence of the Megalodon in the Mariana Trench remains a topic of debate, what we do know is that only a handful of people have ever reached these depths. Descending to the Challenger Deep, the deepest part of the Mariana Trench, is a feat only a few have accomplished. This oceanic abyss stretches nearly 7 miles below the surface of the Pacific Ocean, a depth that only a handful of humans have ever reached. One of the first was Swiss engineer Jacques Piccard and U.S. Navy Lieutenant Don Walsh in 1960. They navigated the bathyscaphe Trieste, a deep-diving submersible, to the bottom of the trench, marking a historic moment in deep-sea exploration. Fast forward to 2012, and we see a solitary figure making the same journey. This time, it's film director James Cameron, known for his blockbuster hits like Titanic and Avatar. Cameron's solo journey to the Challenger Deep in his custom-built submersible, the Deep Sea Challenger, was a major milestone in ocean exploration. And then, there's Victor Vescovo. In 2019, this undersea explorer and retired naval officer made multiple dives to the bottom of the Challenger Deep. His mission in the Limiting Factor, a submersible specifically designed for extreme depths, broke the record for the deepest dive in history. These explorations, while not revealing any evidence of a living Megalodon, have pushed the boundaries of our understanding of the deep sea. They've shown us that life can exist in the harshest of environments, and they've opened up new possibilities for what could be lurking in the unexplored corners of our planet. So the mystery of the Megalodon in the Mariana Trench continues to captivate us, a testament to the enduring allure of the unknown.